So how do we find that profitable book idea, Vikrant?
So Phil, it's really important to understand that we are not writing the book for ourselves. We are writing the book for the readers who are reading the book. We are taking them from point A to point B. We are solving a certain problem, and the bigger the problem is, the bigger the profit is. So if you understand that, then of course we'll be able to create a profitable book idea. And to do that, to really do the market research and find out what their problem is. For example, if you serve maybe coaches, right? If you serve the coaches, then there are hundreds and hundreds of groups on Facebook which are free to join. You can join them. You can simply ask them anything about their problem, what they are coming for, and then exactly understand that what they are facing, what kind of problem they are facing, right? And then you can also have a chat with them. You can make some friends, and then really understand what they are going through, and then crafting the entire book accordingly. So that's the way to find out how to come up with a profitable book idea.